everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i in the new color, Night Dusk Blue Metallic on black. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i in Night Dusk Blue Metallic. So we aren't in time for an LCI just yet, but we did get a new color for 2026, and this is it. I've just hit unlock, so we've got the headlights going on here, and I'm going to do a little lap all the way around the car. We've got some sunlight coming in, so you can see what it looks like in the sun, and we've got a little bit of low light towards the back of the car, so you can see what it looks like when there isn't sunlight hitting it. Yeah, this new color looks really nice. I'm pretty happy with it. And this is our first 2026 in this color, so I figured, you know what? Let's share it with all of you out there on YouTube. So this is the new color for 2026, Night Dusk Blue Metallic. This color replaces Phytonic Blue. They also added Dune Gray, which you've seen on X3 and iX thus far. But they've added that to X1 and X2. And this is the new color. So we're over here at the front. You can see the nice lines on the hood. We've got the BMW rondelle up front and center. And you know what? Where the light's hitting it, you can see it's almost a little bit purple. Look at that. Look at how the flake is in there. Interesting. We've got the one-piece chrome grille with the vertical slats in black. This is an active grille back here as well, so that will open or close as needed with air. And this is the X line, so non-am sport. We've got some brushed aluminum accents down here with some air intakes. There's another active shutter down here at the bottom behind the license plate bracket. And overall, front end looks really nice. With or without M Sport, I think. With M Sport, it's a bit sportier, of course. But yeah, look at, I like to just show you again where the paint is being hit by the sun. It's got a, right here, you can see there's like a purple shimmer almost in there. That's pretty cool. If we take a closer look at the headlights, so we have the BMW LED headlights here, and we've got some nice intricate patterns in here once we got the lights going on, and full low beam system on. Looks just like that. Now if we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the 18-inch aero wheels 866 style in lightning gray. And we've got the black over fender. We've got the rocker panel down here in matte black as well. Body colored side mirror, got some lines on the side here, integrated turn signal. Slick top on this one. And if I do this little side profile view, good chance to see the shape and the color here. There's the rear 866 aero wheel. And up top, we've got the new style spoiler and antenna. And back here, we've got the L-shaped tail lights. We've got the little triangular patterns here. And down here, you've got more brushed aluminum. No visible exhaust until you actually look under here and see the muffler. And from the back here, cameras here. I've got the key, so let's press and hold the tailgate button. So once we open this up, we have a cargo cover here. It can be removed if you'd like to get the extra space, but it's here to hide your contents. 2 grocery bag hangers on this side, 2 grocery bag hangers on that side, little netted area, 12-volt plug, illumination, plastic bin down there. If I lift this up, we do have the optional spare tire and wheel lock key, tow hook, jack, everything's there. And these are the carpeted mats. Winter ones are on the floor already, so let me drop that back down. And once we're done, there's a button here to close, another one to close and lock. But we can definitely kick to have this closed the hands-free way. And over here on the passenger side, we've got the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, 1 click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, clockwise, 1 click to shut it. If I open up the rear door here, so inside, you'll see that we've got the handle, window switch, some pockets down here, the black Veganza interiors here, and I've got all the seat belts done up. Let me just undo them. So there's a rear passenger seat belt that comes down from the ceiling over there. All three headrests can flip up or down. Got an armrest in the center with some cup holders. And then there's 3 strings that you can pull that will have the seats folding down in a 40-20-40 split. Just like this. And once the seat goes up, there's 1, 2, 3 positions for recline. We also have some lights up here with some handles and a little coat hanger. There's the winter mat, some illumination down there, and some vents as well. We've got some vents on the back of the center console, USB Type-C charging port. There's also a little storage area. So let's shut this door and let's open up the front passenger door next. So we've got touch comfort access on both front door handles. And once I open this up, you got unlock, lock, door handle, window switch, door pockets, full power seat down here. And we've got soft touch materials on the dash, ambient lighting. There's a little storage compartment, curved display with iDrive 9. Down here we've got max front defrost, rear defrost, wireless charger with a little seat belt here for your phone. We've got cup holders, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, 12-volt plug, and push start button, volume wheel. We've got the nice stitching on the center console. If I press that, there's a little storage area there, more storage at the bottom. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, open that up. So inside we've got memory seats, unlock, lock, another ambient light strip, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate releases down here. And again, we got full power seat. We have the non-M Sport steering wheel with cruise control, audio things over there, and signal stock on this side, wiper stock on that side with automatic rain sensing wipers. And up top, there's your rear view mirror. We've got some interior lighting, and here's the visor. Open that up, the light turns on. So now that we've had a chance to look at the interior on this side, down here we've got your exterior lighting controls. Hood releases here, it says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. We have 241 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We've got a strut bar going across, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid, nice engine bay. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just center down. Beauty. All right, so before I conclude the video, I'm going to do one more lap all the way around. And one more chance to see that Night Dusk Blue Metallic color. So what do you think of this new color for 2026? And I think we're going to be getting an LCI on the X1 soon. So what would you like to see different if we do get an LCI? Or would you prefer that everything just kind of stays the same? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i in the new color for 2026, Night Dusk Blue Metallic with the black interior. This car literally has one option on it, that's the paint, and just a spare tire option. So I think it's pretty well equipped for just having that. Very entry level in terms of pricing, so good value. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.